how is it going? My name is Shai and I'm just here because I got a lot of messages asking me how I managed to lose weight in just a few months using the alpilean, okay? So I decided to record this video to tell you all about my experience with this incredible supplement, okay? I'm gonna tell you in details how it was, why I decided to try it, and if it was worth it, okay? And I also have some very important alerts, infos to share with you before you decide whether you should buy it or not. Well guys, the first alert is that you have to be very careful about the website where you're gonna buy alpilean because it's only sold through its official website. Because of the demand of this supplement, it is reported that third-party websites are trying to create an imitation of this product. So in order to avoid buying a product that is not original, it is recommended that you only buy through its official website. That's why, in order to help you, I left the link of the official website here below in the description of my video, okay? I will explain to you how it's claimed that this weight loss supplement called alpilean, how it works. So guys, it consists of 6 alpine plants and nutrients that all together should help you reach your low internal body temperature, which is the real cause of unexplained weight gain. And we all know how much obesity damages our health, unfortunately bringing many diseases such as cancer, diabetes, fat liver, high cholesterol. In short, many diseases are associated with being overweight, okay? Well, now I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my story. Well guys, I gained a lot of weight during the pandemic. So imagine how I felt being so overweight at that moment. Guys, I didn't want to look at myself in front of the mirror. I didn't want to see my friends, even online. Everything to me was like a nightmare, you know, because nothing was fitting. I wasn't leaving home even to do basic things like going to drugstores, going to supermarkets, because I was trying everything to lose weight, but nothing seemed to work. And even when I tried a restrictive diet, I went hungry for days, and I also tried crazy cardio routines, but the best I could do was lose some of the fat, but I gained everything again in just a few weeks. And you know, I even considered those weight loss injections and those cosmetic procedures, but I thought, well, because they are very expensive and invasive. Then I decided to go to the doctor, and he recommended that I try this weight loss supplement called alpilean, okay? I felt really hopeless, so imagine my surprise when in the first 30-90 days I noticed I lost weight without those crazy diets, crazy cardio routines. Of course, I continued my treatment, my healthy routine, but this time I was very hopeful because I would have my ideal weight again with alpilean, and I started feeling more energetic because I was seeing results. But guys, I also found that alpilean gives you other health benefits, and you won't believe me, but I felt that even my skin looked much better. And one thing I knew was that I didn't want a drug with tons of side effects that would hurt my mind, my body, and my health. But my doctor assured me that this is 100% natural supplement with no side effects or contradictions, and this was one of the main reasons why I decided to use it. And I am so happy because I only got positive effects. And you know, another fact that was crucial to my decision to buy the alpilean, to give it a chance, is that they offer you a money back in 60 days. So I mean, if I wasn't satisfied, I could get all my money back without problems, no questions asked. And I thought, well, that this product should really work because they shouldn't offer you a refund guarantee if it wasn't a reliable product. And I thank God that I was right, okay? But one very important thing that you should know is that alpilean weight loss supplement is only sold on its official website, okay? And to help you, I'm gonna leave the link of the official website below in the description of my video, okay? As I said at the beginning. And also guys, don't forget that you can get your refund through the official website, okay? And if you don't have great results, but I doubt it, okay, you just go to the official website and ask for your refund, okay? And it's very easy to take. You just need to take one capsule of it with a big glass of water, and you'll be able to see the initial results already in the first month. But for long-term results, it's recommended a treatment time being 3 to 6 months. It's been 5 months since I'm taking alpilean, and guys, I can honestly say I've never felt better. I can wear all my clothes again. I can hang out with my friends, take a lot of pictures, and I feel like I'm a totally different person, And speaking of my physical, at the beginning of my treatment with this supplement, I lost a lot of weight, and I still want to lose, a little bit more to achieve my ideal weight. But guys, I'm already super happy, super confident about my body with these 5 months. I thought it was impossible, so believe me when I say this is possible for you too, okay? But I think that's it for today, and I really hope I have helped you with my review, okay? And you can also check the official website for more information, okay? But if you still have any questions, you can leave them below here in the comments, and I will be very happy to help you, okay? So thanks for watching my video until the end, and I really wish you a great results, even better than mine. Bye-bye.